Good day, good day, good day, good day, everyone. Welcome back, grade 7 students. This is your English class with Teacher Ross. How are you today? Are you excited about our lesson? Very good. Today, we will discuss rules on subject-verb agreement. But before we start, let us review the two important parts of a sentence, the subject and the verb. The subject of a sentence is the person, place, thing, idea, or activity that the sentence is about. And verb tells what the subject does. In a complete sentence, these two parts must be present. Let us have examples. Camille bakes pastries for street children. The subject in this sentence is Camille because she is the person that the sentence is talking about. And the word bakes is the verb, the word that tells what the subject does. Next, the students talk about their presentation. The subject here is the word students, and the verb is the word talk. You see, in English grammar, there should be a subject and a verb to complete a sentence. But we should also know that it is not enough that we only have these parts. It is important to let them agree in terms of number. So yes, you heard it right. Subject and verb do have numbers as well, singular and plural. Keep in mind that singular subject means one, and plural subject means two or more. Usually, but not all the time, we add s or es to a noun to make it plural. For example, teacher, singular. Teachers, plural. However, there are nouns wherein we change the spelling or we add other letters to have their plural form. For examples, child, singular. Children, plural. Mouse, singular. Mice, plural. There are also words that are plural in form but singular in meaning. For examples, mathematics and missiles. Now, the question is, how do you form a singular verb? Correct! By adding s or es to the verb. For example, basic form is walk and the singular form is walks. You add s. Next, how about a plural verb? How do you form a plural verb? Very good! It should be in its basic form, meaning no s, no es, no ing, no d, or ed. For example, the basic form is talk and the plural form is talk. The same because the plural form should be in its basic form. And now, I think you are ready for the rules on subject-verb agreement. Let us have rule number 1, the basic rules. These rules are important because you need to apply them all the time, especially in applying other complicated rules. Let us begin. The basic rules are: a singular subject takes a singular verb. A plural subject takes a plural verb. Or in other words, a singular subject needs a singular verb. And a plural subject needs a plural verb. Always remember, the verb should always agree to its subject. The verb will always adjust. Let us have examples. Let us use the verb walk. Watch the present tense verb endings. I walk, you walk, he, she, it walks, Joe walks, the girl walks. We also have we walk, you walk, they walk, Joe and Maria walk, the girls walk. I walk. They say that there is always an exemption to the rule, especially in English language. Though the pronoun I is singular in form or in number, it takes the basic form of the action verb in present tense. And it also applies with the pronoun you, which can be considered as singular or plural in form. But keep in mind, for auxiliary verbs in present tense, am is with the pronoun I and are is with you. For these examples, the subject in each sentence is singular. We have he, she, it, Joe, and the girl. And as you can notice, the verb walks has an S because it is in singular form. On the other hand, we, you, they, Joe and Maria, and girls, all of them take the plural verb walk, which is in basic form without S or ES. Another examples. Let us have the first sentence. The dog chases the cat. The subject here is the word dog, which is a singular subject because there is only one dog. So the verb must be in singular form as well. We have here the word chases. As you could notice, there is an S because it is in singular form. The next sentence. The dogs chase the cat. The subject here is the word dogs, which is a plural subject because maybe there are two or more dogs. So the verb must be in plural form as well. We have here chase. As you could notice, there is no S or ES. It is in its basic form because the subject dogs requires a plural verb. Now I have here a sentence. I want you to choose the appropriate verb. The students participates in the program. Now I have here 4 easy steps. Let us try. Step 1. Identify what is the subject in the sentence. So we have here students. Step 2. Determine whether the subject is singular or plural. So once again, we have here the noun students as our subject. Since the word students could mean that there are 2 or more people involved, this is a plural subject. Next, step 3. Decide which verb is appropriate based on its subject. So we have here the subject students, which is a plural subject. Let's go back to the basic rules. Singular subject takes a singular verb. Plural subject takes a plural verb. So since the subject students is a plural noun or a plural subject, the verb must be in plural form or in basic form. So we have participate. And for step 4, check the agreement of the subject and the verb. So we have here the students participate in the program. Students, plural subject, participate, plural verb. Do they agree? Yes, congratulations! The verb agrees with its subject. Let us practice. The myth sounds phenomenal. What do you think is the appropriate verb? Very good. The answer is sounds. We have here a singular subject and we also have a singular verb. Take note that if the verb is in singular form, it should be in S or ES form. Next, the people appears happy. What is the answer? Very good. The answer is appear. We have a plural subject, people, and a plural verb, appear. No S or ES. Take note that if the verb is in plural form, it should be in its basic form, like this one. Good job! I think you are now ready for other rules. Please watch the next video for part 2. Thank you!